Hey guys, kind of Sky here. I'm here showing off my snowstorm. I would use my camera, but my camera is kind of blah. I don't have any batteries for it. But yeah, as you can see, if I can show you, it's been a hell of a snowstorm, and it's still going. And I don't know if you could see that. I can't really zoom like I should be able to, but you can see the snow is like overflowing. It's like, why? It's it's just like really thick. As you can see, it's like, holy crap, that's a lot of snow. I don't know if you could see that, but for the record, if you could see those cars, they're not really mine. Mine is somewhere within this hell. But we're doing pretty good. Figured I'd show this off to you guys since I really can't stream it, but I will try and stream later. So, I mean, it is really pretty out. I don't know if you can see any of this, so I don't know how this is looking. So, but yeah, this is my front yard. It's rather pretty cool. But yeah, I guess until then, this is Sky signing out, saying I will catch you later in another Let's Play, maybe, or Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. So take care and happy holidays if I don't see you soon.